In this question, we're going to use implicit implicit differentiation to find related rates. The example is about a point moving along a graph of a function y equals 1 over 1 plus x squared. So you can imagine a graph and a point moving on the graph of the function. And this point is moving at the rate dx over dt equals 6 inches per second. So as you can see, x is a function of time. Find dy over dt, which is the rate of y. In each case, when x equals minus 2 and when x equals 0. Okay, so to find the rate, which is dy over dt, we need to differentiate this function. It's better to write this function on a form without a fraction, and the form is going to be an implicit form. I'm just going to multiply y by 1 plus x squared, or multiply both sides by 1 plus x squared to get the new form. And the new form is y times 1 plus x squared equals 1. This is going to make the differentiation easy. Now, we differentiate both sides, and the first side, as you can see, is a product of two functions, function y and the function 1 plus x squared. So we use the product rule for differentiation. So the rule says differentiation of y prime, multiplied by the function 1 plus x squared, plus function y multiplied by differentiation of 1 plus x squared. This prime means differentiation, equals differentiation of the constant 1. Okay, now we calculate this differentiation to get y prime times 1 plus x squared plus y times differentiation of 1 is 0 and differentiation of x squared is 2x x prime. We use here the chain rule. Okay, so if you have a function to the power of 2, to differentiate, you multiply by 2, take away 1, and you differentiate the x, as x is a function of time. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Okay, then we try to substitute the values given. So we have dx over dt equals 6. So I'm going to substitute x prime by 6. So this x prime is going to take the value 6. So as you can see here, we have substituted x prime by 6 times 2, 12. So we get 12xy. Okay. Now we need to substitute the value of x given, minus 2, here and here, and the value of y, we need to calculate it from the function y equals 1 over 1 plus x squared. So I'm going first to calculate the value of y. Substitute x with the value given, minus 2, to get the value of y. That's the value of y, 1 over 1 plus minus 2 squared, which is 1 over 5. Now substitute here both values, the value of x, which is minus 2 in this case, and the value of y, which is 1 over 5. Here we are, we get y prime bracket 1 plus minus 2, that's substituting x with minus 2, squared plus 12 times minus 2, which is the x, times the value 5, which is 1 over 5. Simplify this to get the value of y prime. Okay, so you get dy over dt, which is y prime, equals 24 over 25. Can you please check the calculation? This is it. This is how you find the rate of change for the given values in part A. For part B, you do the same work. However, when you reach here, you have to substitute x with 0 and this x with 0. So this time is going to be 0 and this time is going to be y prime. So you don't need to calculate y. Even if you calculate it, you're going to get 1. Substitute here, multiply 0, you get 0. So y prime is going to be equals to 0. That's dy over dt equals 0 for part B. That's it, and this is how you deal with related rates, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you very much.